Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1657, pertains to a fault within the trunk, tailgate, or rear bumper antenna circuit of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This specific code indicates that the Body Control Module, BCM, has detected an earth fault within the rear bumper left front antenna line. The BCM acts as a central control unit, monitoring various electrical systems in the vehicle, including those related to the trunk and tailgate. If it identifies an issue where the antenna circuit is shorted, it will trigger this DTC and store it in the onboard memory for diagnostics. It is crucial to address this error to ensure not only proper functionality of the antenna system, but also to maintain the integrity of related systems such as keyless access functionality. Upon retrieving this code, it's important to follow the correct diagnostic procedures to pinpoint the underlying cause, as multiple factors could contribute to the failure of the antenna circuit. The error described by DTC B1657 involves a malfunction detected by the Body Control Module, BCM. The BCM's role is to oversee the electrical circuits in the vehicle, which includes monitoring the rear bumper left front, LF, antenna circuit. An earth fault signifies that there might be an unintended electrical connection to the ground, affecting the proper operation of the antenna. This antenna is critical for keyless access control, which allows the driver to unlock and start the vehicle without using a traditional key. It resides in the rear bumper area for optimal performance and reception. Failure in this circuit could lead to issues with the vehicle's ability to detect the key fob, thereby hindering locking or unlocking functions and potentially affecting alarm systems. The causes of the DTC B1657 can vary, but primarily include a few key issues. The first potential cause is the shorting of wires in the circuit, specifically between EXT-TR+ and EXT-TR-, which may create an improper connection or grounding issues. Additionally, a faulty body control module can lead to erroneous readings or circuit failures, indicating that even if the wiring is sound, the module may not be functioning correctly. Lastly, the rear bumper LF antenna itself could be defective. If the antenna has sustained damage or internal failure, it can lead to the BCM detecting faults in the system, prompting the DTC. Understanding these causes is essential to effectively diagnose the root problem. Symptoms associated with DTC B1657 can manifest in several ways, affecting the ease of vehicle operation. One primary indication is the failure of the keyless access system. Owners may find that the vehicle does not respond to the key fob, creating difficulty in locking or unlocking the doors or starting the ignition. Another notable symptom could be the inoperative trunk release, as this function is closely tied to the antenna system. If users experience problems with accessing the trunk, it can further confirm issues linked to the antenna circuit. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard might illuminate, indicating issues within the electrical systems. Observing these symptoms can help technicians identify the malfunction effectively during the diagnostic process. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1657 is to perform a self-check with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This procedure allows the technician to evaluate the system's overall functionality and detect any additional diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that may be present. It's imperative to confirm that all relevant connectors and wiring are properly connected to ensure accurate readings. If other DTCs are recorded, they could provide insight into correlated issues that might affect the antenna circuit's operation. This step is fundamental before delving into more complex inspections. ensuring that technicians have a complete understanding of the vehicle's current diagnostic status. In the second troubleshooting step, attention turns to inspecting the external circuit wiring connected to the rear bumper LF antenna. This includes examining the specific wires marked EXT-TR+ and EXT-TR-. Technicians must look for any signs of shorts, which may include physical damage, fraying, or poor insulation. It's essential to ensure that no wire is unintentionally grounded, which could trigger the DTC. The inspection aims to confirm that the wire integrity exceeds 1 megaohm, as anything lower indicates potential issues. Properly harnessing the external circuit is crucial for the overall functionality of the antenna and the BCM's performance. Moving on to step 3, technicians need to inspect the body control module, BCM, itself for any faults. Before proficiency testing the internal circuits, ensure that the rear bumper LF antenna connector is disconnected to prevent any unintended readings. The BCM must be evaluated under normal operation conditions, particularly its internal circuit and voltage outputs. It is crucial to verify that the BCM is receiving adequate power supply, as this affects its performance. If any abnormalities are detected during this inspection, it may indicate a malfunction within the BCM, necessitating repairs or a potential replacement, affecting DTC B1657. Finally, in troubleshooting step 4, if the body control module and external circuit are cleared of any abnormalities, technicians should inspect the rear bumper LF antenna itself. This component's functionality is critical as it directly communicates with the BCM for operations such as keyless entry and trunk access. Conduct performance tests to ensure the antenna is operating under normal conditions. If the antenna shows signs of defects or an inability to transmit signals adequately, it may need to be replaced to resolve the DTC B1657 efficiently. Identifying issues within the antenna completes the diagnostic cycle, ensuring all components contributing to the fault are thoroughly assessed. The final repair verification step is crucial in affirming that the previously identified issues associated with DTC B1657 have been fully addressed. After completing any necessary repairs or component replacements, technicians should clear the DTC from the vehicle system. Following this, performing another HDS self-check is essential to confirm no new or previously recorded DTCs reappear. It is also vital to verify that the rear bumper LF antenna is operating normally and that all related systems, like keyless access, function as intended. By confirming these conditions, technicians can ensure the reliability and safety of the vehicle following the service. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B1657, it's advisable to incorporate regular preventive maintenance practices. One effective strategy is conducting routine inspections of the circuit wiring and connectors, specifically in areas prone to wear, such as near the rear bumper. Ensure that all connections remain secure and free from corrosion or damage to uphold connection quality. Additionally, keeping the software of the body control module up to date can enhance its functionality and performance, reducing the likelihood of false alerts or failures. By integrating these proactive measures into regular service schedules, technicians can significantly minimize the possibility of recurrence for this DTC. In conclusion, understanding diagnostic trouble code B1657 is vital for accurate diagnostics within the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. This troubleshooting guide provides systematic steps, starting from performing a self-check with the HDS, identifying potential circuit shorts, inspecting the BCM, and reviewing the rear bumper LF antenna for defects. It highlights the importance of addressing these issues to maintain vehicle functionality. particularly concerning keyless access. Implementing regular preventive maintenance checks can help avoid similar faults in the future, ensuring a more reliable driving experience. Following this guide will enhance the effectiveness of repairs, leading to greater customer satisfaction and dependable vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.